Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to use business hours with automation rules. I will show you how to use business hours in setting up SLA and time trigger rules. I'll also show you how to use business hours on automation rules that run on creating and updating ticket events. In BoldDesk, business hours help in setting up different work timings of your support teams across different time zones. To learn how to set business hours, follow the link in the card above and the description below. An option to select business hours is available when setting up SLAs. First, let's see how to use business hours when setting up an SLA rule. To know more about setting up SLA policies on BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above and description below. By mapping specific business hours with an SLA, you can be sure that the operational hours will be the same as the SLA. This allows you to accurately measure and track ticket response and resolution times for your support team whenever a ticket meets the set conditions. Next, let's see how to use business hours with time trigger automation. To know more about setting rules that run on time trigger, follow the link provided in the card above and description below. You will find another option to trigger on-time automation. By selecting operational hours, the rule runs during the specified business hours and actions are performed on a ticket when it meets the defined conditions. Now, let's look at how to use business hours on automation rules that run on create and update ticket events. You can set business hour related rules to trigger actions on a ticket. First, let's see how to use business hours for ticket auto-assignment rules. To learn about ticket auto-assignment, follow the link in the card above and the description below. Here, select the created or updated event, then the operator, business hours, and select one option from the value field. Next, let's see how to use it with the create ticket automation rule. Follow the link in the card above to learn about setting up create ticket workflow automation in BoldDesk. Set the condition event as created and select the business hours operator. Finally, select the appropriate business hours from the value field. Similarly, you can use the business hours on update ticket trigger rules. To learn about setting up update ticket workflow automation in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above and the description below. For this rule, set the condition event as updated. Finally, let's look at the usage of business hours. Business hours are used with SLA to set the realistic response and resolution due. Reminders and escalations will be sent during the support team's working hours. Business hours are used with time triggers to run the rule only during selected business hours and to calculate hour-based fields. They are used with event triggers to notify users when a ticket is created or updated on holidays or non-business hours. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.